Thanks for the gift. Is this mine? I've never had a GoPro before. Okay, dog, go on upstairs. Hey, somebody left a GoPro for us, Mom. I don't know how they work. How do you turn it off? They rang the doorbell and left the camera on the post to record it. They're recording right now. I'm sure they'll come get it.
What was it, Dad?
It's a GoPro.
What?
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. It's going, I don't know how long it goes for. It's got 146 on there, 147.
So there you go, another person back. Right?
Hey, Brock, thanks for the present. That was very kind of you. Say something.
Hi. Stop.
That was very kind of you to give me a GoPro. You're going to have to teach me how to use it, though.
Thank you.